If managers are talented, but still their team members are hate them sometimes, why?
Because managers are more focused on completing tasks, and to do that sometimes they forget their people.
I'm really so confused.
Okay, so understand like that. A leader who doesn't appreciate, they lose trust of the people. If a leader who doesn't listen, they lose loyalty. Again, a leader who doesn't guide might lose the people's performance.
So you mean to say leadership is emotional?
Not really. Leadership is not emotional, but it's based on human. To understand that or to get experience on that, they need to master in emotional intelligence.